And then you've got all this area here. Nice parking there. All the way down. Dave's having a bit of a mare. Should get through there, Dave. Well, if it gets hit by a fence, it's their own fault.
Good morning everyone. Starts another week here at Airedale Fencing. It's a lovely day actually. The lads are all having the day off today actually. They asked me about a week ago, and then Justin said, oh, you might as well have the day off too.
People say I am the best boss. I think that pretty much sums it up.
So I'm all on my lonesome today, but I ain't got a bad day actually. I've just got a couple of surveys to do this morning, and then hopefully get them quoted out, and I'm just waiting on some prices. Some gates coming back for quote. Site survey I went to see at school last week on Friday, so I'll get that finished off. No doubt I'll have some other calls this morning, usually is on a Monday, and yeah, we'll just see how the day pans out after that, but hopefully not too much on. Have a nice easy day. The lads are back tomorrow, like I say. I've got a little palisade job on tomorrow, meeting Matt and like a surveyor guy for 2 schools that we've been pricing a while actually. We should get them actually. I've worked for these guys before, and I've actually worked for the schools before, but with it being over certain amounts, they've got to go through the process of getting 3 quotes, I suppose. Fair enough, but hopefully we might get them, because like I say, we've done loads of work for these schools before, but problem is now they've changed to a trust, and then the trust directors or the business managers, whatever, decide that all of a sudden they've got to get other quotes, and you know, so it's just the way of the world, I'm afraid, but it is what it is. So yeah, that's tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm seeing them. The lads are doing a little palisade job just at BD4, and then what we're doing, I've got a delivery coming this week of palisade for the job we're doing next week, I think it is. And then up top of my head I can't remember what we're doing rest of the week. Oh yep, sorry, I do. It's one of my Life Schools Academy's other schools up at BD4 off Manchester Road there, Marshfield Primary. Some spare land belonging to the school there. We're taking a sort of old concrete post type fence down and renewing it with some nice meshing gates. So that's probably 2 or 3 days for them there, I think, yeah. So I'll probably do the rest of the week. So yeah, anyway, I'll stop waffling. I'll get on with my my day, and if I can get some footage at this survey I will do, but obviously it's awkward when it's a primary school, so I'll see how I get on and we'll catch you later. So yeah, as suspected, on that last job I couldn't get any filming. I couldn't even take any pictures of the job actually, because kids were out right next to us. So I'm just back at yard now. Nice and quiet one over here about actually. What a lovely day, one for that breeze. It's really windy. Maybe absolutely red hot, but yeah, I've just got a few quotes to do, a bit of catching up, stuff that's coming over the weekend. So a couple of hours and I should be done. So yes, happy day people. So yeah, we're just on site here at BD4. It's just 6 sections of palisade to go on here. It's pretty easy. In fact, local working force just turned up as David. So yeah, lads are just going to shoot off now and get the sandwich and whatever. Justin's gone to get some petrol, and I'm going to rush back to the yard now to meet Matt and see these gates. So we'll catch you later.
So we're up on Wakefield Road. Bit of a palisade job, about 6 bays in total. Just going to set the first one, get the next one in, run a line through it, make sure it's all nice and smooth along the top that way. So it's just a little job for us today really. Get cracked on. It's first day back for us all. We all had Monday off, so nice to have a nice Monday off. Except from now, today feels like Monday. So yeah, we'll get this cracked on, get line on, and we'll get cracking.
Good morning. Been a busy one already this morning. Been to the gym, cracked the door, me and Jamie, but lads have just left actually, loaded up. I've been at Fort Truck and that's why I haven't really filmed, but I'm just waiting in the yard now. They're coming to take this back, because I think I've shown you before, bonnet when it arrived, it were all scratched from manufacturers, so they're coming to take that back and sort it out and bring me a courtesy car. I think they're bringing something similar, or similar model anyway. Might not have a roller back on like that one, but so yeah, hopefully they'll get that sorted out in a week or so. The lads are going to do another one of my wife's academy schools, Carlton Bolling, Marshfield, just off Manchester Road, just a couple of miles from here really. It's a bit of an awkward one where they are. It's like a field that belongs to the school, but it's not really near the school, if that makes sense. But I think there's about 40 metres of 2.4 twin to do and a set of gates, so they've got to dig the old gates that are in, which look pretty solid. That'll probably be the hardest bit, to be honest. There's an old concrete fence to take down, timber. I think kids are setting fire to it and whatever else around there, so going for something a bit more secure. Probably a couple of days there, maybe finish it Friday, a couple of hours if they need it, and then they've got a little domestic to do on Friday morning, Friday afternoon, which is something now. And unfortunately I have another funeral to attend, fourth one this year. So yeah, no doubt they'll get some footage as they're going along, and we'll catch you later.
So we're just doing a job for Marshfield School. This is a little football area around the back. Go on Dave, I'll let you go first mate. That's a caretaker from school. So we're going to be removing a bit of fencing and installing some new gates. So the gates that we're installing are a bit bigger than these, so they're going to be going a bit further over. And we'll be going 3 panels this way. It's 2.0i twin, and then you've got all this area here. Nice parking, eh? All the way down. Dave's having a bit of a mare. Should get through there, Dave. I'll watch you through, mate. Just resume the video. Well, if it gets hit by a fence, it's their own fault. And it's going all the way down to the bottom there. Those bottom sections staying in. Takedown's done now. I've just come back and got concrete posts on mine. All gates are sorted, and then just through to end. So yeah, it's getting smashed out. I'm going to get off now and get rest of the stuff sorted out.
Good morning, fine people. Not a bad day today actually. After yesterday, I think we might have just missed. We've got a name for every storm these days, whatever it was. Bloody Eunice, Agnes, I don't know, whatever they called it. We got some rain and wind yesterday afternoon, but not too bad really. We've got a few puddles in the yard, but no really to worry about. So yeah, lads have gone back over to the school today at Marshfields. They had really hard digging there, digging the old gates out, get the new ones in. They've got them in, so they're going to get on with fencing today. They might get finished, or they might have a few hours to finish in the morning, but I've got a delivery coming. He's already phoned me, should be here actually in the next 5-10 minutes. So I'm just going to get fork truck started and warmed up. It's an old beast, it does the job, but you're best giving it 5-10 minutes to warm up before you use it really. Once it's all warmed up, hydraulics warm, stuff like that, it goes beautifully. So yeah, I'm going to get on with that, unload this Palisade for a job next week, and then Matt's coming to the office. We're going to get on with these. We've got 2 tenders to do. Ryan, who actually has yard behind us, has given me a prize for a load of groundworks on one of the sites. He's a good lad, he's Ryan. I've known him years. In fact, he used to play football with Baggy. So yeah, he's given us a prize for that. So I've just got to put them all on his bloody stupid tender sheet, which don't match any of our quotes. So it's a bit of a mind boggle, but yeah, I'll get it sorted. So we'll get them over to him today. I think we'll probably get them because we deal with the school direct anyway. But now they've changed to an academy, they've got to go through the motions, get 3 quotes, blah blah blah. So we'll probably get them anyway because the site manager literally wants us to do the job. So yeah, we'll get them in and hopefully we'll hear from them soon. So yeah, we'll catch you later.
Jamie's got his eye-vis on for once. 7 metres today. They've already got takedown out. Across there. Yeah, exactly. for a change. No mate, I'm alright. This is just going to get adjusted. I'm going to take the rail off, drop it down to the floor just to make sure it opens, and then I'll get that done. A couple of hours here. I'm just going to nip and go get gates for Monday. Yeah, we'll see you later. Lads are just sorting this out now. Look at that compared to what were there before. So this is a double-sided paling. This is 1.5 metres high. So yeah, it's looking good. You know, a lot better than what were there. Give her some nice privacy, and then they're just going to drop this gate with a new rail on.
Good morning. Friday already. Sun comes round, doesn't it? Lads are just doing a little domestic job actually around corner from the yard. They'll be done mid-morning. It's something to know, 30 metres of paling I think it was. We're going down to get timber and then they'll be there literally around corner. Could walk from our yard. Justin's just getting rid of timber that we've had stacking up for ages. We haven't had time, we've been that busy. I'm glad you're getting rid of that. That wagon was struggling to get in yesterday.
It's been doing maintenance for ages.
When I got delivery, we're struggling to back in. But yeah, so he's going to take that and sort out a bit in the yard while lads are down there. I'm only in for a couple of hours this morning actually. I've got a funeral to go to again, fourth one this year. Another good friend gone, fortunately. Rest in peace, my mate. So yeah, I'm just doing a couple of hours in office, get some stuff sorted, and then I've got to pick my mother up and stuff. She's coming to a funeral as well. So yeah, so if I don't see you, have a good one. Thanks again for watching, and whilst you're here, why not give us a thumbs up and subscribe while you're here. Cheers.